So we're not quite finished with the kitchen, but I thought I'd show y'all where we are, um, and kind of an update. And the house is kind of messy because we've been working all weekend, but this wall here is in the living room, and this wall is newish. It's been up about a year. It holds the TV and everything. This all used to be a straight shot into the kitchen. This shelf is original to the house. You can tell it has that 50s vibe to it. On the back side of that wall, so there's the front door. On the back side of that wall is kitchen storage. That's what all that is down there. It's all kitchen storage. We have our plates and coffee pots and cups and stuff hanging up there on these shelves, and our vacuum cleaner. Coming in here, this is our kitchen, and it's not farmhouse necessarily. It's just kind of old school country, I guess you could say, with a little modern touch. These are all the original cabinets to the house. These are all original. The doors are new. We took the old doors off, and I've always loved these doors that we put in because they upswing. They catch in those magnets, and these downswing, which is pretty cool. We have our pots and stuff hanging there. Laundry's not over here anymore. The washer and dryer used to be against this wall. We kind of had them temporarily set up. Those have been moved. We still got to finish above the fridge. There's still some junk up there. Got to find some space for. We still have to paint that trim at the bottom. Circling around, we have our dishwasher, our induction cooktop, a little oven. We got rid of our big oven years ago because we wanted a dishwasher more. And we've had that little oven for about 5 years, and you can bake cakes and whole pizzas and things in there. It does a great job. And our induction burner is fantastic. Our spice rack, spices and baking stuff, our little cast iron skillet and whatnot. Over here, which we still have to redo this door and put its new hardware on. This is actually the pantry to the kitchen. So there's a couple of items in there. And this little guy here is originally where the fridge sat in the house, but we changed that and we put in stackable washer and dryer in there. So we framed the wall out, and we left the sides. We didn't put any paneling on the sides, and we put some 2x4s up for extra storage on both sides of canned goods and whatnot. So anyway, people are always wanting to kind of see the inside of the house. The living room's a mess, but I'll show you. This is our living room here. The hallway to the bedrooms. Now that window is original to the house. And then this wall over here used to have the same windows as the wall you just saw, but we've reframed it. We've reframed all the exterior walls in the house, except for one in the kitchen. And this is our living room. Anyway, everybody always wants to see the inside. This is the inside of our little 10 by 50 Angelus trailer.